is to run a vulnerable image. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out from Docker, and which is basically a Docker, and I will do a port mapping of it to 8080 and port 80 from the Docker, and the name of that image was vulnerable. And let me see what that was. Give me a second. So I have to pull it out from Docker Hub. So hub.docker.com, and seeing here we can say vulnerable 2114.621. So I'll just do the docker pull command for this, yeah, and it is going to pull the latest from there. I can, now it is there with me, and now I can do a docker run -p port 8080 map to 80, and then I'll have the docker name, the container name run in here. And so that means that it should be running on port localhost 8080. Let's see. Yeah, so it is running on port 8080. Now, once we have this item running on port number 8080, this image is available for any kind of exploitation that you want to do a shell shock. By saying that, I have to use one of the commands that I kept with me to do a shell shock exploit. So with this, the container is running. You can see it is running on port number 8080, and the vulnerable container that I downloaded. So here I have done it for a reason that to demonstrate you, but it is a typical lookout that developers miss it. And this is here where it is running on port number 8080, you can see. And after that, when we go, if we run a curl command, simple curl command with user agent and echo bin bash, we can really cat the password file of the etc, and this is known as your shell shock vulnerability. There is a dirty cow, and there are further more vulnerabilities of such kind which are available. So it makes it very important for us to make sure that we are able to guide our processes such that we do a secure development. In addition to this, the hacker can plant a NC netcat with a LVP to any port number, and the moment he does that, he has got a listening port on your machine, and after that he can do a reverse shell and basically an execution of anything that he wants on the machine.